Have a nice day everyone who joins Ceylon Pride, which is taking the Ceylon name to the international level. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can easily get our latest videos by clicking the subscribe button below and the bell icon on the right. The video we present today belongs to the video section describing medicinal plants. Earlier we presented about the katarolu plant, which has divine medicinal properties. You can find out about that amazing katarolu medicine by clicking on the card above. Today, as this second video, we present to you a plant that you will often see in your backyard. We call this plant gotukola. As most of us know, this plant is a herbaceous plant. Many people are not aware of the medicinal properties of this edible plant in many backyards. That is why Ceylon Pride decided to give you details about this valuable plant. There is no one in our country who does not know about gotukola. But this is an aspect that most people do not know. There are three types of gotukola: thin gotukola, vine gotukola or medicinal gotukola, and plant gotukola. Thin gotukola is a light green plant that grows on small seeds that grow on the ground. The roots are located in the shape of a small tuber and do not continue to grow. Gotukola grows in association with the root system of coconut trees and grows like a shrub even in intense sunlight. Medicinal value is very high. Thin gotukola is often used as a medicine in Ayurveda. The next most medicinal plant is the vine gotukola. The roots of the vines are light pink and the stems grow upwards. They grow into very elongated vines. The plant gotukola are dark green. The stems are very dark green, with large leaves, and are relatively inferior to the other two species. Gotukola has been a very popular herb among Sri Lankans since ancient times. Gotukola is known for its taste as well as quality. We decided to bring some of the properties that have even been experimentally proven here because gotukola can be easily grown in our backyard and added to our rice without poisons. The chemical composition of gotukola is basically as follows. Gotukola 100 grams as nutrient fraction. Energy 37. Calories 6 grams of carbohydrate, ceylon 2.8 milligrams. Beta-carotene 3600 microgram. Protein 2.1 grams, calcium 224 milligrams, contains 40 to 60 milligrams of vitamin C. In addition, micronutrients include chromium, copper, zinc, cobalt, manganese, selenium, and sodium. In general, we have only heard that gotukola increases memory. But gotukola protects against a large number of diseases, preserves youth, inflammation of the body, febrile diseases, skin diseases, eye diseases. Gotukola has been found to have the power to cure pine diseases and hair-related diseases. It also has the ability to increase memory capacity. It sweetens the voice, promotes skin collagen growth, brightens the skin, keeps hair healthy, improves eyesight. Eating gotukola causes brain development, has the ability to cure gastritis, protects the liver, suppresses cancer, has antioxidant properties. It protects the heart, has anti-inflammatory properties. Boosts immunity. 5.1 lowers LDL cholesterol, triglyceride. Accelerates wound healing. Beneficial for diabetics. Protects the kidneys. A medicine for tuberculosis patients. helps in proper functioning of the nervous system, cures fatigue, beneficial for varicose veins of the feet. Gotukola, which has anti-inflammatory properties, is widely used in the treatment of rhinitis. Excessive kiwis in the morning, inability to sleep at night, heaviness in the forehead, blackheads, cataract, etc. It cures headaches, prevents premature graying of hair, promotes hair growth and relieves constipation. It can also be used to treat various mental illnesses and prevent premature aging. Gotukola can also be used to promote longevity in the functioning of the nervous system and to improve physical strength and skin color. Gotukola is a nutritious herb. Chemical fertilizers are now used to give commercial value to many medicinal herbs. But in order to get the real results of Gotukola, we need to eat Gotukola without the use of chemical fertilizers. As everyone knows, this Gotukola can be eaten as a simple mallow or sambal and as a leaf porridge. If you want to make a Gotukola sambal, you have to make enough salt, coconut, red onion, mackerel and tomatoes. Gotukola sambal is a very delicacy. Gotukola can be used not only for food, but also for various medicines. Gotukola cultivation can be done in bed form economically. When grown in a very limited environment, it can be grown in horizontal tubes or even using such a space-saving method. The best way to improve economic value is to grow 100% organic without the use of poisons. Gotukola is a useful plant that can be used not only for one's own consumption, but also for economic gain if cultivated in excess. A person who is perfect in creative business ideas can earn lakhs of rupees even by cultivating this Gotukola. All you have to do is stay away from the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides grown by everyone else in the society, creating your own market while growing organically. There are many attractive strategies for this. In future videos, we will show you how to come up with business ideas based on these valuable plants. References of all details from an article published by Hello Bodupi Yuma magazine and Mrs. Lakshika Jayawardena on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments to watch such valuable videos. Support us by liking our Salon Pride Facebook page. Let's rebuild a healthy nation. See you soon in another similarly valuable video. Good day everyone.